Hi guys, this is my unboxing of the OnePlus One 64 gig Sandstone Black Edition. This is the charger, the US charger, and this is the phone. So we'll start with the charger. This is just a standard wall jack with USB port and the OnePlus One logo. And let's get to the phone. The packaging is very premium. And right away you can see the phone. Let me take the sticker off. It's a very thin, sleek design with a soft feel, but you can feel the texture of the back. It has 3.5mm headphone jack on the top with a microphone. Then it has the 5-megapixel camera on the front with the sensors and the LED light and the speaker. Also the capacitive buttons on the bottom over here, which are barely visible. 5.5-inch display. The power button. Right here is the USB port. Here are the two stereo speakers with another microphone. Here's the SIM slot with the volume rocker. The back is a 13-megapixel Sony 6-lens camera with another microphone, the OnePlus logo, and cyanogen mod, which is basically what operates this phone. And on the bottom, under this, is the micro USB cable. Very sleek design, and it has a different USB port with these gold pins. Very nice design. The USB thing is also gold, the micro USB, in red. And then we have this little needle to open up the SIM slot, and it comes in its own rubber sheath, basically. Very, very premium packaging. Thanks for watching, guys.